Dear students, next chapter is chapter 7, triangle. Okay, so you know what is triangle: three sides and three angle bounded by three the closed figure. Okay, now the congruence of triangle. Congruence of a triangle. So congruency of triangle is related with two triangle. Okay, so if the triangles are congruent or not, how can you understand? There are some criteria for congruency of triangle. Okay, so what is congruence? Congruence is when the corresponding sides of two triangle and corresponding angles of two triangle are same, then it is said that the triangles are congruent. Now see, when these two triangles are congruent, if this side equal to this side, that means AB equal to PQ. Okay, then BC equal to QR, and if you find AC equal to PR, okay, that means three corresponding sides are equal. Okay, and three corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. That means from two triangles, दो ट्राइंगल से अगर दोनों ट्राइंगल का हर एक sides और हर एक angle, if they are equal, then you can say that the triangle are congruent to each other. So how can you write it? So therefore the triangle ABC congruent to the triangle PQR. Okay, when? So this is the congruent sign. How can you read it? Triangle AEC is congruent to the triangle PQR. Okay, so to prove the congruency between two triangles, there are some criteria. Number 1, angle, side, angle. That is ASA criteria. So when this criteria will fulfill, when any two sides and any two angles and one side will equal to each other. See, this is a triangle, this one is another triangle. Okay, now see, if it is angle ABC PQR, if angle A equal to angle P and angle B equal to angle Q, and the side AB and PQ are same, that means how can you find it? In a line segment, if the angles are equal and the line will be equal, then only this is the criteria will fulfill. ओके अभी देखो यहाँ पर मैंने क्या दिया, एंगल ए, एंगल पी, एंगल बी, एंगल क्यू. क्लियर? इसका बीच में जो लाइन है, देखा, इसका बीच में जो लाइन है, दैट वन इफ इट इज सेम, इफ यू फाइंड दिस वन and this one, and if you find this side is equal, then it is not fulfill the criteria. कैसा होना चाहिए? एक लाइन के दो साइड में दो एंगल इक्वल होना चाहिए. ये भी देखो, ये लाइन का इस साइड का और इस साइड का एंगल इक्वल है. then only you can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other by the criteria angle, side, angle. Okay. If this angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R, then this side should be equal, BC and QR. Here also you see this line segment, ये line segment के दोनों side का दो angle equal है. Then only you can say these two triangle are congruent to each other. Okay. Number 2. Side, angle, side. Okay. These two triangle, side, angle, side मतलब दोनों साइड होगा और बीच में एक एंगल होगा. कैसे? ABC, PQR. If BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR, and if you find this angle, clear? BC equal to QR, okay, AC equal to PR, and between these two line segment there is an angle C, no? So if angle C equal to angle R, then only you can say that these two triangles are congruent with the criteria side, angle, side. Okay. Number 3. Side, side, side. This is a triangle. This is another triangle. Okay. If you find that AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, AC equal to PR, that means what you find, if the three sides are equal to each other, then only say that these two triangles are congruent with the criteria side, side, side. Clear? Next, number 4. Angle, angle, side. See, these two triangle ABC and PQR. Now angle, angle, side. Say this angle and this angle are equal if you find. Okay. These two angles are equal. If you find, then either this side or this side, either this side or this side, if you find equal from both the triangle, then the criteria angle, angle, side will fulfill. Not this side, okay? Not this side. If you find this side is equal, then the criteria will be angle, side, angle, not this side. If you find these two angle, then either this side or this side. If you find equal, then the criteria side, side, side will fulfill. Clear? Next. Next is number 5. RHS. Right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse side. And this criteria will fulfill only for the right angle triangle. Okay. If the two triangles are right angle, then this criteria only fulfill. Now see, this is a triangle and this is another triangle. Okay. Now from this two triangle, if the triangle should be right angle triangle, that means one angle should be 90 degree. Say angle C and angle R. These two angles are 90 degree. So which side is the hypotenuse? This side is the hypotenuse. Is it clear? Now if you find AB equal to QR, QP, is it? One is AB equal to PQ. Another criteria is angle C equal to angle R. Why? Both 90 degree. And if you find AC equal to PR or BC इक्वल टू QR, दैट मीन्स ये दोनों साइड में किसी भी एक साइड अगर इक्वल है, देन दिस टू ट्राइंगल आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट विद द क्राइटेरिया RHS. मतलब एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है और उसका अपोजिट साइड जो हाइपोटेनियस है, हाइपोटेनियस इक्वल होना चाहिए और बाकी जो दो साइड है ये दोनों साइड में किसी भी एक साइड इक्वल होना चाहिए. देन द क्राइटेरिया RHS विल फुलफिल. देन यू कैन से दैट बाय द क्राइटेरिया RHS द टू ट्रायंगल आर congruent to each other. Okay, now see one example I'm giving you. How can you apply this criteria in your sums? See this one. Here, this figure, what is given? It is given OA equal to OB and OD equal to OC. These two criteria is given in the question. What you have to show? You have to show that triangle AOD congruent to the triangle BOC, and another one what you have to show, AD parallel BC. Clear? Now see which two triangle you have to take, triangle OBC and triangle OAD. Okay, so from these two triangle, what you find? You find AO equal to BO, because it is given in the question. It is number one. Number two, OC equal to OD. These two sides also equal. This one also given in the question. That means two things you find equal from both the triangle. You have to find three things to fulfill the criteria. So another one you have to find out. Now which side or which angle is equal, that one you have to find out. Now see angle COB equal to angle AOD. These two angles are equal. Why? Because these two angles are vertically opposite angle. तो अभी मिल गया तीन. कैसे मिला? एक है ये साइड, दूसरा मिला ये एंगल, तीसरा मिला ये another side from both the triangle. Okay, so by the criteria side, angle, side, these two triangle are congruent to each other. अभी एक बार में मिल गया क्या? दो ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. अभी जो ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट एक बार मिल गया मतलब all the sides and all the angles of these two triangles are exactly same. That's why these two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, so एक बार मिल गया ये दो triangle congruent है. So you can say that all the sides and all the angles are equal. Now second part, what you have to prove? AD parallel BC. AD parallel BC. अभी ये दो लाइन सेगमेंट कैसे कब पैरेलल होगा? When the interior angles are same according to the transversal rule. Okay. Now this angle equal to this angle. Why? From the CPCT. CPCT क्या है? Congruent part of corresponding part of congruent triangle. क्योंकि ये दो triangle already congruent, you proved it. So you can say that this angle equal to this angle. Okay, and this angle equal to this angle. अभी ये दो एंगल कब इक्वल होगा? When the lines are parallel. So you can prove that AD parallel BC. So like that you have to apply the criteria to prove that triangle are congruent to each other. Okay.